everyone. So today I'm going to show you two ways to capture an image on a Chromebook. The first way is to take a screenshot. To take a screenshot, you would hold down the Control key and the key above the 6 at the same time. When you do that, an image will appear on the bottom corner of your screen. Click on that image and it will take you to your downloads folder. You can see that the screenshot is. Another way to capture an image is to hold Shift, Control, and the key above the 6 at the same time. When you do that, your screen will turn blue and your cursor becomes a selection tool. Hold down your left index finger in the area that you would like to select, and with your other finger, highlight over the area that you want to select. You have chosen the area, you can release your fingers and you can see the image that you selected. To upload your image on a Jamboard, what you would do is you would click on the image icon to add an image, click Select Files from your device, make sure you are in your Downloads folder, click on the image that you would like to select and open the image. Once the image is done uploading, you are free to move the image wherever you'd like. And that's how you capture images on a Chromebook. And that's it.